J-Clipnet, the Japan Clinical Pharmacology Network for Global Trials, is Asia's gateway to the rest of the world for conducting global clinical trials. Based in Oita, Japan, the J-Clip network includes centers for clinical trial promotion, the infrastructure of 6 top universities, and the talent of some of the most experienced clinical pharmacology specialists, not only in Japan, but in all Asia. The state-of-the-art clinical research facilities include medical doctors, certified clinical pharmacologists, clinical research coordinators, biostatisticians, and a cutting-edge data management system. All of this makes J-Clipnet the obvious choice for pharmaceutical companies and institutions all over the world to conduct early clinical trials and establishing evidence for drug treatment in Asian countries in a highly professional, efficient, and cost-effective environment.
Hello, welcome to J-Clipnet. Thank you for joining us.
J-Clipnet has been established with the purpose of conducting global early clinical trials in Japan, including Phase 1 and POC trials, and providing evidence of the universal need for drug treatment in Asian countries. Japan is increasingly becoming a focus for medical Asian studies due to the similarity of genetics and extrinsic factors with the rest of Asia. Research and clinical studies have proven that ethnic and genetical variations do make a difference in the application of pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Ethnic differences in drug response have been extensively reported through comprehensive trials and studies. For this reason, the testing of subjects with different ethnic and genetical backgrounds is essential to the development of new medicines and new medical treatments. J-Clipnet provides a safe, highly professional environment that allows efficient time management and is cost-effective to test new drugs and treatments in Asian patients. 6 top university hospitals in Japan and a multidisciplinary team of clinical pharmacologists and specialists came together on November 16, 2007 to form J-Clipnet, quickly gaining the support of the Japanese Ministry of Health, Labor, and Welfare. J-Clipnet is equipped with the latest medical technology to provide an efficient, high-quality scientific network for conducting multi-center, multinational, early-phase clinical trials in the Asian region. The focus is on Phase 1 and proof-of-concept trials, with the explicit mission to increase the available evidence for the necessity of drug treatment in Asia. The J-Clip network includes 6 of Japan's top academic hospitals across the country, all of which have their own clinical trial center. The chief medical doctor overseeing each of these 6 trial centers is on J-Clip's board of directors. Each one of these centers has their own unique clinical research features, but their mission is the same: use the best training and technology available to obtain the most accurate test results possible. Oita University Hospital Clinical Pharmacology Center, led by Dr. Kyoichi Ohashi, has recently built a brand new clinical trial center which includes over 20 beds for trial patients, 2 laboratories, and a CTU station, among other state-of-the-art facilities. Showa University Hospital Clinical Trial Support Center, led by Dr. Eiji Uchida, is located in the heart of Tokyo. Managed from this location is Promises, the clinical data protocol system used by J-Clipnet to organize the clinical data from all 6 trial centers. St. Mariana University School of Medicine Hospital Clinical Trial Administration, led by Dr. Shinichi Kobayashi, possesses the St. Mariana Institute of Medical Science. In this advanced laboratory facility, drugs are being developed and tested at the earliest stages, especially for diseases that have yet to find a cure. Kitasato University East Hospital Clinical Trial Center, led by Dr. Yuji Kumogai, contains one of the largest and most comprehensive clinical trial centers in Japan. From drug administering to blood sampling, this center has on staff some of the best-trained clinical research professionals available. Ehime University Hospital Clinical Research Trial Center, led by Dr. Masahiro Nomoto, uses advanced computer technology for brainwave and nerve examination. With these procedures, a condition in their patients, such as diabetes, is able to be detected. Hanamatsu University Hospital Clinical Trial Center, led by Dr. Hiroshi Watanabe and Dr. Kazuo Umemura, uses advanced testing methods, including time-resolved spectroscopy, to measure cerebral blood flow. This center also has access to some of the most advanced testing equipment available, including the PET scanner used for microdose clinical trials. Oita University Hospital, Showa University Hospital, St. Mariana University School of Medicine Hospital, Kitasato University East Hospital, Ehime University Hospital, and Hamamatsu University Hospital. All 6 of these centers are not only working together, but are vitally connected within the J-Clip network, thus providing pharmaceutical companies around the world with the compounded benefits of each facility, providing better and more efficient drug testing in Japan. All J-Clipnet facilities are linked through Promotional, the latest data management system that provides instant access to local and international data for high-quality scientific research from clinical trial networks and multi-center studies.
The biggest advantage of Promotional is that all things are integrated into one system. You have all the bits and pieces that are in Promotional in different programs. For example, you have patient data on a different database, and you have a clinical trial data on a different database, etc. All those things you can manage in Promotional with just one program.
J-Clipnet employs Promotional as their common platform for the management of their clinical trials and data management, giving instant access to investigators to compare test outcomes in Japan with similar results from all over the world. J-Clipnet's Secretariat Tokyo office, one-stop support center, provides the perfect infrastructure for foreign institutions to efficiently fulfill all the legal and administrative requirements that medical trials entail. This eliminates the maze of contacting different hospitals, trial centers, and other institutions that companies have had to navigate through in the past in order to get tests done. J-Clipnet's specialized training programs are producing some of the most advanced clinical research coordinators, biostatisticians, investigators, and project managers for carrying out these clinical trials at our facilities in Japan. With medical facilities using the latest medical research technology and staffed by the best trained specialists and medical professionals, J-Clipnet makes it possible to obtain the most advanced research in the areas of neuroscience, drug evaluation, QT study, and microdose clinical trials. In addition to the facilities in Japan, the growing J-Clip network has also set up international collaboration with clinical trial centers in Korea, China, and the Netherlands, all of which use the same Promotional data management software. J-Clipnet is planning to collaborate further with other trial centers around the world. With state-of-the-art clinical research facilities, the infrastructure of 6 top universities, the collaboration of other trial centers in Asia and Europe, and the best and the most experienced clinical pharmacology specialists, J-Clipnet is determined to set the standard for conducting global clinical trials for all of Asia. J-Clipnet, the obvious choice for pharmacological companies and institutions globally to conduct early clinical trials and establishing evidence for drug treatment in Asian countries. J-Clipnet, the gateway for Asian studies.